Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Saron, and this video is going to be a how to refresh your lace your wig without taking the entire wig off and starting from scratch. So before we get right into it, please be sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on my post notifications so you can see every time I will be dropping a video. So I will not keep on rambling. We're going to get straight into the tutorial. Alright, so to start off, I'm just combing out the baby hair so I remember what I will be laying back down after I refresh the lace. This part is optional, but that's what I'm doing. So now I'm going in with the Lotta Body mousse, and I'm just going to be combing all the hair back. You do not want any sort of flyaways or any extra pieces of hair out when you go to refresh your lace, because you will be putting glue and got to be sprayed down, and you do not want the hair in the way. Alright, so now using Got To Be Spray, I'm spraying it directly on the lace, and I'm going to be blow drying it back in so it can get that melt effect. When I blow dry my lace, I like to do warm or hot and then go in with cold. For some reason, in my opinion, I just feel like it melts the lace even more, so that is what I'm doing. And then I also like to use the edges of the comb to really press it in so it can still give that melted look. So during this step, if you do get some baby hairs or some flyaways in the way, it is fine. Just keep in mind that you will have to comb it out, and it may be a little crunchy, but that's nothing mousse cannot fix. So for this step, I'm going in with the Erica J glue so I can put down a piece of the tab at the edge, because the whole thing was up and I just felt like Got To Be glue was not going to fix that. The whole thing was lifting. So I went in with Erica J's glue, and I'm going to just be pressing that in real quick on the sides of my hair. So now that I sprayed the entire hairline, I will be taking elastic strips and tying it down just so the glue can really set into the lace. And while I'm doing that, I'll be straightening the rest of my hair and prepping the rest of my hair. So when it comes to baby hairs, everybody has their own preferences. Everybody has their own thing. So when I had this wig installed, I was sort of trying like the whole wispy look, or like natural baby hair, hairline, whatever. So don't be like, oh my god, like your hair is like barely laid, like you barely have any baby hairs. I was trying to go for like this sort of natural look, not the laid to the gods baby hairs. I was not trying that this time around. So that's why you sort of like see me playing back and forth with the baby hairs, but that's all I'm doing. And I tried the new method of straightening the baby hairs before you go in, and I must say that is a 10 out of 10. I feel like that makes a big difference when you are straightening your baby hairs before going in. So right now, as you can see, I took the Got To Be spray, and since I straightened it, it was much easier for me to use the spray on a toothbrush and sort of lay it down. Like I said, I was going for more of a natural look, look, so that's why I'm doing it this way. Right, so I feel like I'm being so rude because I completely left out the hair details. So this hair is from Aliexpress. I will leave the actual information down below. But yeah, I didn't record the actual install because I was just having a lot of complications with this hair. For example, the cap size was too small, so I had to like finesse it by like cutting the frontal and stuff to just get it on my hair. And then I had ordered it to be like 200% density, and I'm pretty sure, as you can see by this video, it is not 200% at all. It's given like 150 or less. So those were like the two big things I like had a problem with, which is why I didn't do a separate installation on this hair. This is the finishing look. I really hope that this was an easy follow along, but as always, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please comment them down below. I would love to hear it. And please comment down below videos you would like to see in the future. I do have some hauls coming up. I have some more wig tutorials coming up. I can start doing makeup tutorials if y'all want, but it wasn't really blowing up on my channel, so I had stopped doing them. But if you like this makeup look, comment down below, let me know. If you would like to see how I got this look, if you want me to do a tutorial as to how I got this makeup look, let me know. And as always, thank you so much for watching.